Hawaiian Christmas Party 2016. So I know you are all excited to witness this wonderful celebration. Because later on, we will have a lot of entertainment, raffles, and games, of course, and prizes for everyone. Okay, are you excited, guys? Yes, of course. And of course, let me announce that since this is a Hawaiian theme party, definitely there will be best dress. So from now on, if you have your materials, your headdresses, your props with you, you can now wear it because you will never know. You might be the best dress for tonight because the judges are already looking at you and judging you on or based on your costume. So now, before we formally start this event, I would like to request everyone to please stand up. And may I also call Miss Mia Mystica to please lead our invocation tonight.